Hi, in this video, I want to discuss what are the things that you need to do on a newly installed HRTech. So of course, when you install HRTech, initially it will be empty. It's not actually completely empty. There is of course at least one record, which is the user, and that user is the admin. So it has the admin record and the associated records regarding the admin. Okay, so when you log into the system for the first time, you should log in as admin, and then the password is this at avc 123456789 and then asterisk. Okay, so let's log in as admin and then that password, sign in. Okay, so once you sign in, as you can see, most of the settings are blank. Like the bank is blank, the accounts is blank, and so on. Okay, but I would like to tell you that you need to focus on the user. Okay, so there will be a user admin. So inside the admin, so initially the employee code is also admin, and the employee code is 00, and then the first name and last name will be admin. Okay, and then access group is administrator by default. Okay, so I have a separate video regarding the access group. Okay, so if you want to know more information about access group, you should watch that video. And then also the work group is admin. And then the record restriction is also admin. So I have separate videos on all of these fields. Okay, so by default it's not approver. And then the company that was assigned is admin also. There is no payroll groups assigned, and then there is no payroll types assigned. Okay, now what you will do initially is, of course, on the work group, you need to change it in the proper work group, because of course in your company there is no such thing as work group admin. Okay, so what you will do is you go to the settings, and then on the work group, you need to change this into the proper work group. For example, the work group for the employee administrator may be WG01. Okay, now regarding coding, you can code it in your own way, no, depending on your company. There is no special rule in HRTech. No, you can code it on your own based on what is your preference. So this is just an example. Let's say WG01, but of course you can do it 001 or whatever you like. Okay, and then here you can say maybe the work group description may be IT, for example. Okay, then save it. Then the other thing that you need to change, of course, is the company. So initially there will be a company admin, which is also assigned to the user admin. Of course, in your company will not be ABC admin, right? So therefore, you need to change it in your own company code. Now regarding company code, whatever is your company code, you can put it here, as long as it doesn't exceed 10 characters. For example, your company code is let's say BFS, for example, and then your company name may be Best Fit Software Solutions, and then you'll put here the SSS number, PL health number, and so on. I have a separate video regarding company. So on this video, it's enough to for you to know that you need to change the admin company, because definitely you don't have a company like admin. So therefore, you need to change it in your own company. Okay? And then the other record that you need to change is, of course, the employee. So there will be an employee that is admin. Okay? As I've said on my video regarding user, anyway, I have another video for user. User is associated with the employee. So whoever is that employee, you should put it here. So you should put here the employee code of the admin. Maybe normally it will be the HR manager or maybe the IT manager. So you should put here the employee code of the IT manager, for example. Let's say the employee code is 1234. By the way, this is up to 20 characters. Okay? And then you put here the email of the admin. For example, jga@yahoo.com, for example. Then you put here the right mobile number of the person or the administrator. Then here you put the name of the administrator. For example, first name is Joey, and then middle name maybe Gatchalian, and then last name is, for example, Alonso, and so on. So you need to fill it based on whoever is the administrator, no? The data of that employee, you should put it here. I have a separate video regarding employees, so I will not delve deeply into that. What is important is for you to know that you need to change the employee based on whoever is the administrator of HRTech. Okay, so let us save this. Okay, it's error because there are some fields that are not filled. Okay, for example, in here there is a rate type and payment mode, which are actually required, no? So I will just skip it. Let us exit, and then we'll just discard the changes. And so let me go back to the user here. So yeah, that's it. Because actually regarding record restriction, I think you can retain it as admin, because of course there are admin, there is a work group, and there is a self. I have a separate video regarding this, so I think you can leave it like that for the admin. For the access group, maybe you can also leave it as administrators, because if you go to the access group, which is the administrator, it has actually access for everything, right? On all the modules. It's already here by default. That is because so that when you log into the system as admin, you should be able to access everything. Otherwise, you cannot do any configuration in the system. Okay, so I think for the administrator, you can leave it like that, no? For the access group of the administrator. Okay, so yeah, that's it. If you have any question, just put it on the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.